Many people think that a brand is just a logo, when in reality, it's much more than that. Branding throughout history has served many purposes, like identification of a brand or the quality, consistency of a brand. A study shows that branding has gone through 5 waves of evolution. The last wave defining branding as a limbic connector that creates emotional attachment, identity, and a sense of belonging. This connection targets the emotional attachment a consumer has to a brand. It's important to remember to keep these connections authentic to a brand's promise. A brand's promise is aligning with their core values, and aligning with those values creates authenticity. But how does a brand know how an audience perceives them? Most consumers unknowingly define a brand through their gut feeling. The feel of the brand is what's being conveyed to the consumer. A brand should define their purpose, values, and emotions to create their brand feel. Communicating the brand in a way that is authentic yet gains consumer trust is very important. Being able to understand your audience's needs can deepen that emotional connection with the brand. How do brands ensure that they can build trust and positive emotional connections? Brands utilize a combination of branding strategies that effectively communicate with their audience. Consistent strategies build strong emotional connections with the brand. Combining research data with a strategy like storytelling can meaningfully place a brand in an audience's life. Implementing a consistent narrative can help a brand communicate across multimedia platforms, reaching their target audience effectively. A brand is in the perception of their consumer. A strong brand can say who they are without saying who they are. A combination of all these branding topics can help a creative director or a professional in a media field create a consistent brand that communicates effectively with their audiences. I hope these topics have provided some clarity on all the work that goes into building a brand and launching it successfully.